to portableheatingandcooling.co.uk. Today I want to talk about our Hotex 3kW industrial electric fan heater. This is it, it's running now as I speak. 3 kilowatts, enclosed element, so if you splash water on it, it won't blow up. It's also got two elements, so you can put it on half power or fan only, and you've got a thermostat to control as well. A 13 amp plug required, and it's also got a round element, so you get a much better airflow and heat off these. It's basically a cheaper alternative to what I've already shown you, the FF3. I'll be honest, the FF3 is a better machine. The FF3 is a lot tougher, a lot more rugged. It'll take a lot more abuse, it'll probably last a lot longer. But that's not to say there's no reason to not think about the Hotex 3kW. It's still an industrial machine, fairly quiet, ideal for any small environments that you want to heat up, and you can, like I say, just set that thermostat there to get it to flick on and off. The thing is, the price of one FF3, better machine, I admit, but for the price of one FF3 we can more or less give you two Hotex 3kW 230 volts. Now these are available in 110 volts as well. And they're all available, the FF3, the Hotex, the 230 volt and 110 volt from www.portableheatingandcooling.co.uk.